My video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Cebrc. Cebrc is a ransomware that targets many Windows computers all over the world. This particular ransomware is able to damage the files essentially. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Cebrc ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. And so very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware, Cebrc, encrypts the files and obviously damages them essentially. And very soon people just realize that the files are no longer accessible. So the ransomware appends this Cebrc extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note. It tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, supposedly, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. So don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. So go to this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. After the antivirus database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations on the system. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license, and this way your data will always be protected from further ransomware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data. As I said, Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data effectively.